starting with our first siren today, a Wheelin WPS 2905. Up here. Try to keep it. It's hard to see. This one's kind of hard to see. And just a little farther up. You'll see it kind of. It's back in the. I think it's for the Ace Hardware company, or for the grain facility. Right up here. Right. It's back there. You just saw it. It's right there. And the next one should be a pretty no-brainer. You should see that one easily. And then on top of the clock tower, which is way up there way over there in the distance, was a Thunderbolt. This Stanley actually used Thunderbolts until, of course, they broke and couldn't fix them and replaced them with Wheelins. So, clock tower's down there. And Wheelin's up there. We are approaching the Wheelin. They are all WPS 2905s. Alright, here is this one. Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally pushed the stop recording button and it didn't stop recording, so the next siren's coming up here in a minute. We are approaching our next target. I know this is a federal signal, but I'm not sure if it's an SNRB or a 130, so you can't, I think it might be a 130, but we're gonna see. It's gonna be kind of quick, so I'm gonna zoom in right now. So it's just gonna kind of stay like this, just till the end. Shaky. Alright. And it's hidden in the trees, so here we go. Zooming in as far as I can. Okay, okay, you just saw it. It was really, really tiny, but it was there. It was there. Alright, see you guys at the next one. Our next tornado siren is hidden, so might have been able to say or see an Eclipse 8 back there. Anyways, see you guys at that next siren. Okay guys, we are approaching on our next target. An ACA Alerter 125. I can actually see it from here. Actually, I'll just do it right here. It's easier. You'll see this one easily. You should at least. Alright, we are right there. Just about. Here we are. There it is. And our next target is a P50 coming up soon. Our next target is a T135 Penetrator 50. It's on top of Rim Mountain, so it's going to be kind of hard to see for a minute, but oh, there it is. It basically just looks like a black dark hole. Yep, she's still up there. She was planned on getting replaced by a 508. I hope that doesn't happen, because I think that's still the T135. Looks pretty giant to me, so. Alright, right here you're going to be able to see it pretty clearly. Because it's like on 1,000 foot elevation, so. She's right here. I think yep, she's still there. Yep, that's her. Now, if you didn't see that, it's really hard to see. It was on that tower with the little, on that square tower with the little tiny antenna. That's, oh, jeez, maybe one last glimpse here. It's on that tower right next to that big one. Right there. Alright, that's it. See you guys at the next one. Alright, and today's final siren is an Eclipse 8 with a Wheelin 2905 stand. Whelen WPS 2905, I meant. Alright. We are approaching quickly. And right here. Okay. There's the Eclipse 8. And then right here, there's the, right there, that's right here. Actually, you'll see it better. That right there, its stand was the old stand for the Whelen 2905. And we'll get one more front view. And this 2905 right here, I set off once, or actually twice. Okay. See the stand, and there's Eclipse 8. Alright, thank you guys for watching.